topic is how to promote your product without sponsored promotions. Log in your Seller Central and go in Advertisement. Then click on Promotions. A new dashboard will open. Here you will find two options for create a promotion. Number 1, Money of. Number 2, buy one get one free. In Money of, you give relaxation on your product to your customers such as 20 or 10%, etc. For Money of, click on Create a new dashboard will open. Buyer Purchases column has three options as following. Number 1, at least amount. Means that when you purchase items of minimum a specific amount, for example, $999. Number 2, at least this quantity of items. Means that when someone purchased a minimum specific quantity of items, for example, 5, 10, etc. Number 3, for every quantity of item purchased. Means when you purchased minimum specific quantity of items each time, for example, 5, 10, etc. Ever option you want to. Then move on to purchased item. Purchased item means that the item on which you want to run the campaign of Money of. You can select some items or entire catalog, it is totally up to you. Next option is buyer gets. Means that how much relaxation buyer will be get. There are two options in buyer gets. 1 is amount of. 2 is percent of. Select the option you want to go with. Generally, I select first option. Then select purchased item. From applies to option. You guys can also go with tiers. It is also a facility to customers that as much as they buy items, as much as they get discount. For example, if they buy items of $999, they will get 50 of. And if they buy things of $2,000, they will get 100 of, and so on. If you run promotion on your entire catalog and later on you have changed your mind and want to exclude some items, you are able to do so by clicking on Exclude Items option. Then move on to Plan Process. Means that on what date you want to run this campaign. Select a campaign starting and ending date from start and end options. In internal description, you can set whatever name of your campaign. Now let's move on to step 3. Additional options. Click on Customize Messaging. Dashboard will open. Select None. From Claim Code option. It will be beneficiary because maybe in future customer will come back again. You can also send your customers a customized text by clicking on Customize Text. From Detail Page Display Text option. Or you can go with Standard Text as well. There is no need to make changes in rest of the options. Lastly, click on Review. And your campaign will go for review by Amazon. After checking process, it will be public. If you find it informative, then share it with others.